Many people with insomnia don't really have much trouble with sleep in the first half of the night. It's the second half of the night when they wake and find it hard to fall back to sleep that's the real challenge. This is what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. Hi, I'm Martin Reed from insomniacoach.com. I help people with insomnia improve their sleep so they can live happier, healthier lives. Now, when I'm talking to people with insomnia, many of them will tell me that they sleep pretty good during the first half of the night. It's that second half of the night that tends to consist of lighter sleep, more fragmented sleep, and this is when they spend a lot of time awake during the night worrying about the effect of this poor sleep, how it's going to affect their day, how the upcoming day is going to be really difficult, and even start to worry about potential health consequences of insufficient sleep. So the thing is, the first half of the night is typically more deep sleep. It's filled with more of the deep restorative sleep that we need in order to feel good the next day. The second half consists more of the lighter sleep stages, and this is why we tend to find we wake more often in the second half of the night compared to the first half of the night. Now, the good news is that because we've already got probably all, if not most, of our deep sleep by this time, the effect on our day the following day is going to be far less than we might fear. There's no evidence to say that insufficient sleep or chronic insomnia is the cause of any health problem whatsoever. So I wanted to make this video to reassure you that if the first half of your night is pretty good, you're getting a good amount of sleep, then the chances are you're getting pretty much all of your required deep sleep. And if the second half of your night is a little bit more fragmented, then this is when you want to be implementing these cbt-i techniques, specifically stimulus control. And this means that you get out of bed until you feel sufficiently sleepy enough for sleep, then you return to bed and you repeat the process. Now, of course, this may lead to a little bit less sleep in that second half of the night, but remember, you've already got probably all your core sleep from the first half of the night. So right now, the focus is on making your sleep more consolidated to try and get you through a longer period of sleep before you wake and then find it difficult to fall back to sleep again. And the best way to do this is to relearn to associate the bed with sleep so that when you wake, it's easier to fall back to sleep. You don't get those immediate sensations of worry and anxiety upon waking. The only way to break these is to implement stimulus control and get out of the bed. And that way, the only thing you're doing in bed is sleeping, and this will help make the bed a long-term trigger for sleep. So I hope you found this short video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I do try and share a short sleep snippet video every weekday. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below, or you can email me directly. My email address is hello@insomniacoach.com. And I hope to see you back here again soon.